To view music play history in a Spotify. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So what you need to do to view your music play history is you have to firstly open your Spotify, and yeah, this tutorial is working for the both Android and iOS, so you have to watch this video until the end. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Spotify app, and in the top right corner you can see the settings gear, and you can see the two options, settings gear and another option. So in the left side of the settings gear you can see the another icon. So this is like the clock like icon. So when you click on this clock like icon in the top right corner, so it will bring you to this page, and here you can see all your recently played song. So here you can see this is 20 you can see the all the dates and with all the songs that you have played, and you can also see the all the songs played in this specific date by going to the most bottom and then click on the see all 16 song that you hear on this day. So that's basically that how you can see the all your the music play history. So you can this is very useful if you hear any of the song, and if you like this song and you forgot the title of the song, so you can again view the song by going to the recently played and play the song. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate that. Have a good day.